what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Shish. For those who are new here, karibuni sana. For those who are returning back, karibu tena sana. And so guys, this is how we spend our weekend. Yeah, and we are cooking ugali with cabbage, mixed beef and cabbage. Yeah, and this is lunchtime, so we were preparing for lunch. Yeah, so that we can get to eat because we were so hungry. Yeah, hope you're enjoying the video guys, and please make sure you watch till the end. And if you're watching and yet you've not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, you like and share, and also comment down below of how you see the video. Yeah, so guys, get to enjoy the video as we get to cook and enjoy the meal. So guys, the food was ready, and here I was serving the food, yeah, so that we can get to eat. And so guys, if you've watched till this far, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much, I appreciate so much. And so continue watching till the end, and I know you're going to get entertained and enjoy. Yeah, and please hit that like, hit that subscription box, and yeah, get to enjoy the video. Yeah, so guys, enjoy.
Tita nakuchapa. Tita. Tito. Wewe usikii?
Mama, nifanye kitu. Nifanye kitu.
Nakuchapa cha kuniambia. Nifanye kitu. Inachoma. Ndakata hiyo place. Isiku inachoma.
So guys, we got to sit down and enjoy our food. Yeah, and here we are. Yeah, so that's my food and also my baby's food. Yeah, so I got to eat while I was feeding the babies. Yeah, and we enjoyed the food so much, though my kagal was not eating well. Yeah, alikuwa hapa na pale. She was eating while standing, while walking, while kila mahali. Yeah, but my kaboy was just seated down and eating. Hii kizungu nayo. Anyway guys, hope mmeenjoy video. Yeah, and give it a like. Yeah, and also subscribe if you've watched till this far. And also if you're watching and yet you've not subscribed, please, I give you a minute to just subscribe, and I will appreciate so much. Yeah, mnakaona kamechukua kiti tena kameenda. Yeah, tumebaki hapo peke yetu, then katarudi tena. That's how we eat, by the way. Yeah, hope you're enjoying the video. Yeah, and please guys, watch till the end. Yeah, and subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys. So guys, that's it for today's video. Yeah, I really appreciate if you watched till this far. And yeah, we were just taking our lunch. Yeah, and that's how we take our lunch with my babies. Yeah, mmoja ako serious, mwingine hayuko serious. She's there huku na huko. Yeah, so yeah, we were just eating and feeding my babies. Yeah, so we got to enjoy the lunch. And yeah, that's it guys. So see you on my next video. Bye.
Eh, kwani hii si chakula?
Unakata makubwa.
So guys, okay, I'm sorry, it's early in the morning and I had to like record this video so that I can post for you guys. So this was on a Sunday afternoon. Yeah, and we were buying meat so that we can go and cook for lunch. Yeah, we were so hungry. Yeah, so hope you're enjoying the video guys. And kindly, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please have a minute and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I have like 50% of people who are watching my videos and yet they haven't subscribed. If you're that person, you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Acha tufike 2,000. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for your support and hope you're enjoying the video.
Mbio. Hebu shinda mam nione. Shinda mam. Ah, mimi ndakushinda basi kama utaki kushindwa. Nikushinde? Nikushinde? Mimi ndakushinda mbio. Haya, kuja mbio. Wewe utaki kukimbia mbio. Haya, leta mkono. Twende. Sawa basi, kuja harakisha basi. Yee! Saa zile nakwambia ukimbie. Tija. Saa zile nakwambia ukimbie, ukimbii, lakini nisipokuchukua ndio unaanza kulia. Haya, tuharakishe.
2,000 years later.
So guys, this was afternoon still. It was around, okay, it was not afternoon, it was around noon because it was 11 a.m. Yeah, so I was going to run errands in Nairobi. Yeah, and I decided to take a view of how the road was looking like. Yeah, and hope you enjoy. Guys, give me that like my video, please share my video. Yeah, and please support me and also kindly subscribe by support by subscribing. Yeah, and hope you're going to enjoy. Yeah, watch till the end. Nishafika already, so let me just go run the errands, then I come back. Yeah, I'll be seeing you guys as I get out of this place. Yeah, so I'm getting out of this place. Yeah, nishamaliza kile kilikuwa kimenileta. Yeah, and here I am. And as I get out, I spot this place. Wow. Hey, hizo viti wacha tu. Wow, the place kai hata sijui. Hizo viti zilikuwa tu supu sana. Yeah, so nikiteremka I decided like I need to get in to that place and view the chairs very well. Yaani niziangalie vizuri. Hii kizungu nayo. Nikasema wacha niende nikaone hizo viti vizuri. Cause hizo viti zilikuwa tu super. They were super beautiful. As you can see, nikasema why not show you guys. Here I am and yeah, you can see. Wow, the coach was so quality, like zimetengenezwa na quality ingine. We ziko supu, you can see. Yeah, so get to enjoy the view, guys. So guys, that's it for today. Yeah, as you can see, I was just spotting the coach zenye zinanivutia. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you've enjoyed. Hope you've watched this video till this far. Yeah, and the place is called Tangerine and they are located at Ngara. Yeah, so thank you guys.